Today's video will be a shorter one. This time Banjo, Brazil, USA, Japan have chosen what I'm showing. Oh, I'm kidding. I have used one of his videos where he used TikTok videos. Most of his content is things that he have found on TikTok. Today I have chosen two videos from one of his TikTok collections. Hold your hats, for this will be stupid.
So, yesterday my sister and I found this amazing first edition Reader's Digest Great World Atlas from 1961. It's very interesting, with a very unusual map of Australia at the start of the book.
It's a map from 1644.
What I find very unusual is the first paragraph. Paradise is somewhere in the Far East. Jerusalem is in the centre of all nations and countries, and the world itself is a flat disc surrounded by oceans of water. Rather interesting.
Yes, it's very interesting. Why didn't we read the rest of the text? Today our knowledge of the world has increased through travel, exploration and scientific discovery. This atlas has drawn on the sum of knowledge that have been accumulated through many lifetimes of research. And the text goes on describing the map as you're looking at the globe from space.
So can you guys do me a favor and tell me why there's absolutely zero real videos or pictures of rockets in space? Every single picture or every single video you see of a rocket actually in space is CGI. It's computer generated. So if rockets are real, then why don't we see any of them?
There are real videos and photos. Here you see a rocket launch film from ISS. This is a Dragon capsule docking to ISS, and this one was broadcast live. Here you have a video from the docking system when the capsule is docking to ISS. That you don't believe in image and videos from space doesn't prove that videos and photos from space are fake. You have no proof that all images and videos on rockets and so on are fake. It's you who believes it. That you believe something doesn't prove anything at all. We present evidence for the globe. Flat earthers claims that that's not science and so on. But when they claim that things are fake, that's facts, according to flat earthers' stupid logic.
And supposedly this is India landing on the moon. It looks like a 2DS. Of course I'm being sarcastic. I know for a fact that's real footage of India landing on the moon, and I know for a fact that NASA would never fake anything.
It is not real, and no one other than flat earthers have claimed that someone claims it's real, because there were no camera on the moon when they tried to land this moon lander. So it had to be fake, and that's not the secret. And the second thing, what do NASA have to do with India landing on the moon? Oh dear.
Even though there's no real pictures of satellites in space, they're all computer generated.
Once again he claims things. Without any processor, there are images of satellites in space, but it's quite hard to take photos of them, and why would they waste money and time on taking a lot of photos of every damn satellite rotating around our globe? We don't do that type of things only to try to prove for silly flat earthers that satellites are real.
Now we have to do this because you can't take a picture in the empty vacuum of space, so you need to make computer generations.
No sensible person claims that you can't take images in the vacuum or in space. You can. The image you see in the background here is taken by the crew on Apollo 17, and they was using this type of camera, a Hasselblad camera from Sweden. Flat Earther presents their fantasies as facts. They lies, they misrepresent, and others believe them. Oh dear. Flat Earth is so damn stupid, and many of them don't realize it. That was all I had for you this time. I will be back very soon. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.